इज नॉट मच हेल्पफुल। संत कबीर बोले है ना, बड़ा हुआ सो क्या हुआ जैसा पेड़ खजूर, बड़ा हुआ सो क्या हुआ जैसा पेड़ खजूर, पक्षियों को ना छाया मिले फल लगे बहु दूर कबीरा। तो so our psychology is something very big. We want always something very big, but small things can give you better results. This our guru, a right guru, a kind of very good guru can explain you and can show you the right way. Another thing, in Reiki, you find very small kriya or Raja Yoga. They put some symbols over here, Omkar, symbols on Agyan Chakra. So that Agyan Chakra, when you just activate your Agyan Chakra, what happens? All that veins, all 72,000 veins, nadi are originated from this place, or anyhow they are related to this Agyan Chakra. So how it happens? It does just starts all the immunity system or all the activities of your body if your Agya Chakra is activated. So they Hansa Jesonen Sehi ki Chokure Hansa Jesonen. Like three things they have told. They draw some symbols on the forehead. Most of the times when you draw those symbols and you remember your Guru, then it helps you. But do you trust your Guru or not? That is another thing. Psychologically you have to believe. Guru, a teacher helps you on 3 points. He may remove your innocence. He may remove your lethargy. He may remove your obstinance. You see, innocence means we don't have the knowledge about our blood circulation, concentration on air, to and fro energy movement. These things through different postures he can show. Lethargy means the unwillingness to do some hard work. That is lethargy, some productive work. You think that let things go. So these things, they can initiate the process, they can encourage you to do some process. Obstinance, sometimes I stand by some concept that I am here, I don't want to move. It is not workable. So this type of obstinance a Guru can remove from your mind. Lethargy also includes that we think that just eating a tablet, one can heal one illness, or who can find out his health better. So why to do all these 1 hour, 2 hours of yoga? So this type of concepts, psychological concepts, can be removed by a guru, by a teacher. Some innocence. I may tell a very small story about innocence. One crow was there. The crow, a child threw a soil petal, soil stone made up of soil into the eye of a crow. So the crow cannot see because the soil dust enter in his eyes. So anyhow he flew, the bird flew away and it went to quail, cuckoo. The crow told that I am suffering. Cuckoo was a doctor. So he told that I am suffering, please heal me, please treat me. The quail asked what happened. He told that some soil powder entered into my eyes by a boy. Then he told, go into the water and look into the water, open your eyes inside the water. Then the crow moved into the water, opened its eyes, and the soil melted away, and he was fine. So this was innocence. The crow is having ability. Everybody knows that soil, water can melt soil in our eyes, but he never knew. He never knew very small things. He never knew. So a guru can remove our innocence. Okay, now let's go to the Bhastrika Bayusa swallowing in the air and taking off through nose. Very simple thing, but very highly effective. So only when you practice and you go into the matter, you get the result. Bayusa, swallowing the air. Okay, air is a god. And Bhastrika is also, many times I am doing 54 times breathe in, breathe out. Right nostril, breathe in, hold, breathe out through left. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out through left. Hold. Breathe out through right. Hold. Both nostrils, breathe in, breathe out. Whichever nostril not running, raise it. Hold. Breathe out. So this is very effective one. You do for a longer time, you find light, yourself light. Most of the pain, body pains may be relieved. You may feel peaceful. When you go to the bed, you may feel you don't have to work hard to sleep. Mind becomes calm. Okay. Now another topic is about our ability. Really, up to 65 years or 70 years, we are like a young person only. Up to 60 years, if you try, most of the postures can be done. I have seen many people who can do, who can work out in 50. After 50, they started and they mastered some postures. Why? Because up to 60 or 65, we are young only. If you maintain your body, and I am 52 years old, but I never think I cannot do some postures. Really, some postures are these thigh muscles, thigh flexibility, or other things. Definitely that matters. But if you have worked hard, then there is a good chance that you will be able to do a posture. Okay. So ability, this also a guru can speak you better. What is your ability? So another some guru also explains how a mantra works in our mind, because we are innocent, and we have discussed that as we are the children of God, God chooses a person to teach you. It is not simply a person. Rather, that person is being empowered by God to teach you. So, he can explain you how a mantra, how a chanting helps you. Or whether the energy comes from upward or you raise your chakra from downwards. This confusion, this type of our conflict, into our mental conflict, they can explain us that most of the people, they attend yoga classes or different spiritual organizations, they are not clear about, because they are not properly guided. Okay. So like that Bhagavad Gita says, yoga karmesu kausalam. Okay. So perfection, to attain perfection, you have to do yoga. And pranayam is a way, like a yajna, like you put ghee into fire to please the fire god or to please different gods. Like that, our body is like a temple and different gods are there. So prana, apana, these are prana is ghee, and apana and this samana vayu, they think that this is like a yogya. Pranayam is like a yogya. Okay, so these things also can be explained by our so practice, the importance of practice. One Bharat Thakur of artistic yoga in Hyderabad was there. So one of the, sometime I saw one article, he has properly mentioned that practice is God. So when without any condition, you go before your Guru and you practice, then only you are able to remove the mental blockade of yours. Be psychologically fit to fight a condition, to fight a difficulty, to solve a difficulty. Most of the times we don't work what we tell. Our mouth is one thing and we work differently. So only when you put right kind of practice, you analyze what you are speaking and what actually you are doing. You reflect yourself. You find yourself in what condition you are, what you are speaking to other people, whether you are honest that much inside yourself. So these things can be focused by God, Guru. So this was how a Guru Brahma removes the blockade from our mind. Okay. Now we do some practices. As usual, we do some practices. Simhasan. This is Simhasan. It is very good for your thyroid, back pain, and you get courage. You never go back. Okay, up to the end of your energy, you try to fight. Never give up. Simhasan. Legs on the head. Okay, another leg. Okay, legs, twisting of your legs, how many times you are doing that is important, because when you do something only for 2 times or 3 times, it may not give you better result. Okay, now we do Akarna Dhanurasana. Also 5-10 times we do this. Om, Om, Om. Do again and over again so that the joints of your waist can open. Okay, that is very important to have a light waist. Om, Om, Om. Om. As I have already told, postures are not simply the movement of your bodies, difficult or easy, but rather you put your mind into yourself. Again here, today only I told that I am not teaching others, rather I am teaching myself by saying something, by putting a concept forward, publicly by declaring something. I am declaring to follow that principle, so that I feel that somebody is observing me. When I have told like this, how can I do the reverse of that? So, these postures, when you do, your mind is deviated from outside world. Your mind goes into yourself, the source of energy. That is how the purpose of yoga, to some extent, becomes easy. Again, Akarna Dhanurasana. My mind, I put into my breathing, into my heart. मूलबंध लगा रहता है. ओम ओम ओम. Now, Pada Uttanasana, I will do. I will keep my knee straight. Om, 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 Om. Again and over again, repeated multiple times. When you repeat some simple exercises, it just melts